Greetings all. This is, I believe, my final recording for you all before we meet as a group on Tuesday. I'm using Zoom. I wish I could show you some of the great Zoom features, but I tried to do that, it didn't work. So I'm gonna ask you guys to download Zoom, look at the directions, and see if you can find a button called Participants, which is right next to, it says mute stop video, invite participants. Tonight, we have a very enthusiastic participant. That is Griffin. Griffin is definitely excited to be taking part in our class this semester. So imagine that's the 31 of you guys. And what I want to show you is that I've been working hard on trying to update things on our Moodle site. I showed you some of these things in our group meeting the other day. I don't want to waste people's time. What is new to everybody is there is now a, quote, quiz. See, Griffin's very worried about the quiz. That is due on the 9 a.m. on the day of our first class, March 31st. And it is a quiz that is going to help you understand what I expect you to have accomplished to reset the online learning. And it is 5 true-false questions. I will preview the quiz for you now. Oh, I can't preview it for you. If I say attempt the quiz now, is that going to work for me? There it is. Look, I can be you guys. There are 5 questions. I have looked through the new syllabus and the updates on Moodle. Please check yes so you get your 2 points. I'm showing you here where you can download Zoom onto your computer, your device, and you're watching the video right now, so you can say yes to this one. I'm asking if you watched this short mitosis video, which is an example of the mini lectures I'm going to be putting up to cover that part of the class when I was speaking, although I often give that time away for other things, but now you'll get it. You'll get mini lectures. Many of you have watched this, so you can just say true there. If not, you can watch the mini lecture. And then it says, I have both reviewed the final project dates on Moodle, and I think that is a live link that takes you to the most current assignment, which is coming up due April 2nd. And it also asks if you've watched this short video on how to use Web of Science. And then the final question is about groups, because for the remainder of the semester, part of the work we're going to do is outside of class and in teams. And I'm going to ask you to invite me to join your teams. Each team is going to meet as a small group at least once a week to talk about the readings, the final projects, and other class material. And I have created a document with these teams in here. And so, for example, week 1, the first team will be Sawyer, Kate, Lucy, and Hannah. And Sawyer is in blue here because Sawyer is responsible for convening the meeting. That also in week 1, Ashley, Karime, Betsy, and Clara Slessler will be a team, and Clara is the convener. So I've labeled up all 5 weeks, and there's a master spreadsheet so Sawyer can see that they're team 1, 4, 8, 2, 7, etc. So that is all I have for you guys for tonight. We're having a practice class tomorrow, so maybe I hope to see some of you there, or as many of you as possible. It's nice to see you all. I will stop sharing so that you can see again how excited Griffin is by this material. And reach out with any questions, and I look forward to talking with you all.